Hi guys, welcome to my live trade video here. Today is 20th September and this is the first trade of the day. Okay, if you guys have been following my blog and my live trade video, you have heard of this technique that I've talked about. I share in this one of the live trade video. I say that when the price make a sudden spike in a certain direction, okay, what we do in binary is that we actually go in to ride on the momentum of the price for one or two trades. Okay, you can't be greedy, you can keep on doing that because the price will try to so-called neutralize the pressure later on. So what we do is one or two trades, that's enough. And now this is what happened. I enter this trade because I see a 25 pip spike on my chart, and then now I got an opportunity. I enter a trade to ride on the trend, and the price has went up by 3 pips now. Okay, and we still have 1 minute to go. Okay, and although this pattern don't always occur, or this sudden spike of movement don't always occur, but it's one thing that you guys who do not have a strategy can look out for. Okay, this is something that I share with you guys here. Okay, this is not taught in the course. Okay, for my course I teach the more sophisticated and more proven techniques that I have been using. Okay, for this is something that I actually learned throughout my years of trading binary option. Okay, throughout my years of trading, I see that when the price spike in a certain movement, for us binary, we can actually enter one or two trades to actually ride on it. Okay, but it don't always occur. It's just that this is a bonus for those of you who have been following my blog. Okay, this is something that you can do whenever you see the price spike a very long candle. You can go to ride on the trend, on the momentum. Okay, so as we're talking, still got 6 seconds to go, and this trade is going to expire. And for this movement, okay, don't be greedy. Again, I say 1 or 2 times, that's enough. There's no recoup losses for this technique. Okay, 1 or 2 times, you get it, don't get it, that's it. Okay, so as we're talking, I made a profit of $360. Okay, so I shall see if I have another trading opportunity. I just record to show you guys. Okay, I show you guys the first 2 trades of the day. Hi traders, welcome to the second trade of the day. Okay, today is the 20th September. Okay, the first trade I've done is using the momentum, and as true enough, the price, you can see after that, if you take a look at the chart at the timing of what I'm saying, the price is being pulled down. Okay, when it hit a major resistance level. Okay, just remember, in currency trading or stock any trading, the price will not like rocket move up non-stop. There will be a point where it gets stopped. It will be stopped by something, and this something is what we call the support and resistance. Okay, sometimes after the price is being held by a support resistance level, okay, it start to neutralize, it start to move sideways, and this is when the pressure of the buying or selling is being relieved, because the trader start to think whether should I go for buy or should I go for sell. Okay, because it hit a major resistance, I don't know whether I should continue to buy or should I sell. That's when the price start to consolidate until a new decision is being made. And this is what we call the neutralization of the price. Okay, at the time of talking, the price we're still in the red zone. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, like I say, we don't really care about what zone we are in. Just remember, when it expires, we are making profit. That's the most important. Nothing else does matter. Okay, so just hang on. The price has went up by 2 pips. Okay, we still have 28 seconds to go. Okay, if the price okay, it's not going to work, I'm going to enter recoup losses for this. Okay, so this is the third trade of the day. Okay, this losing trade here is the second trade of the day. So just now I made $360, I lost 500, still in a negative $140 zone. If this trade work out, I make $720. I'll make about 580. Okay, not bad, right? For 3 trade, I made $580 if this trade work out according to the plan. Okay, just hang on, give me another 1 minute 33 seconds to go, and we shall see what's the outcome. The price is very close. In fact, it's so close. Okay, 0.0 now is 0.5 pips below where we enter. Okay, but just relax. In binary trading, once you enter a trade, just relax. Okay, don't really don't get stuck up with this screen, this color thing. Just relax. Okay, the whole purpose of trading is to give us freedom. Okay, and some people, some traders, right, they feel very pressurized when they're in the red zone or losing zone. Okay, don't feel that. Okay, that's it's very bad for health. Okay, I understand that because when I first started trading, I have the same problem. I get very anxious when I'm in the losing zone. But sometimes, come to think of it, no matter how anxious you are, does it really helps? No, right? You've ended a trade. Let it expire. You've done according to plan. You should be relieved. No matter it's winning or losing, you should be relieved. You have to stick to the plan. Okay? If you're able to stick to the plan all the time, trust me, you're going to win money. Okay? That is provided you have a set of reliable strategy on hand. Okay, if not, you're not going to make money, of course. If you try to guess your way in trading and try to make money from it, trust me, it don't work that way. Okay, it will never work that way. Okay, I've been trading forex since 2009, binary since 2012. All are done using a set of reliable strategy. Okay, as we're talking, the trade had expired. Okay, so I got one winning trade, one losing trade, one winning trade. I make about $580. Okay, that's all I have for you guys. I'll talk to you again.